Well, my teeth have been loose for a long, long time, and my doctor, my dentist that used to clean my teeth, just hated every time he went in because they were so loose. But finally I had an implant, and the implant failed, and then we weren't sure what was going to happen to the teeth around it and how we were going to fix that because the bridge wouldn't work because the teeth were loose. And so anyway, we ended up deciding to go the whole denture type route, and with 5 implants and new teeth. My teeth are strong. I don't have to worry about cold, hot, or sensitivity, which I had before, and they're very, they don't move, and I get a lot of compliments on how good my smile looks. The staff here is wonderful and very personable. They always, you don't really dread coming out here, and they have stories to tell you, and they talk through the whole thing, and it's not like you're all by yourself in a dentist chair. You're like part of the family. Dr. Jones, I love him. You can't beat him. And he's professional, but at the same time he's so personable and just like your brother.